In this quick guide, I'll show you how to connect SerpApi to N8N and harness its full potential in your workflows. Start by opening your N8N workflow editor and click the plus button to add a new node. In the search bar, type SerpApi official. This is the verified, full-featured integration you want to use. You may also see a legacy SerpApi Google search node, but avoid this one. It's limited and doesn't support all of SerpApi's capabilities. Choosing the official node ensures you get access to the complete API and full functionality for your workflows. Once added, you can start configuring your SerpApi node to pull search data, manage queries, and integrate it seamlessly into your automation. And that's it. By selecting the official SerpApi node, your N8N workflows are ready to leverage powerful search data efficiently.